Hello, it's Big Cheds, and this is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Cheds Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Cheds and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about a bullish pennant. Now, I do have separate videos on bull and bear pennant, separate videos on something like a bull flag, which is very similar. And you see here in the AI overview, you can pause and read about it, how to identify it. And it says, pennant can, like other patterns, reverse other patterns, and they're both bullish continuation patterns. Let me show you that, right? So a bull flag, and here you have a bull pennant. People often mix up these terms. When you have a pennant, they say, hey, look, it's a bull flag. When you have a bull flag, they say, it's a pennant. The bull flag has parallel lines, right? They're running together. The converging lines are seen here in the pennant, a symmetrical triangle. Now, they're both bullish continuation patterns, right? We'll take a look example here of the bull pennant. We have the flag pull or the advance. We have the tightening range. We see the high, the low, lower high, higher low. This is also considered an equilibrium or a tightening range, and it breaks out. Now, our measured move, of course, is going to be the length of the flag pull extended from the breakout level, which is the descending supply trend. So let's go ahead and take a look at a chart and talk about what's important. So what's important is this needs to come after an advance. If you just have sideways and then it forms some type of you think it's a pennant, it's really just a symmetrical triangle, right? So, and symmetrical triangles usually lead to continuation. So when you have it after an advance, that becomes a bullish pennant. Now, it's not going to be as casually sideways like that, usually a little bit more aggressive, a move up, and then you'll start and you'll form this tightening range. That's your bull pennant. Now, we're going to see the most volume on the flagpole, and oftentimes right here at the peak. You get the most volume here, and the volume will slowly start to trail off. It'll be trailing off until the pattern completes. And then when it breaks out, ideally you get volume on the break, giving you more confidence that the trend breakout is genuine and likely to continue. You can take your measured move from the height of the flagpole, extend it from the breakout point, and it gives you a rough measured move. And of course, with any type of measured move, any kind of price target, you want to make sure you're not ignoring price structure and just being set on the fact that it has to make it to that level. But in any case, a bullish pennant is a bullish continuation pattern where you get this tightening range. It can also be considered a symmetrical triangle or an equilibrium. I have videos on both of those. After an advance, you get the tightening range, and it's likely to continue. Now, Bulkowski's run the numbers on this as well. You can look at the numbers in the pattern site about how it performs. It performs well, as does a bull flag. With any type of a continuation pattern, you would be taking longs at the lower part of the range rather than shorting the peak of the range because you want to, again, be trading with the trend. This is a bull pennant. And this is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education series on my YouTube at Cheds Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Cheds and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. Folks, thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Big Cheds out.